line says, defenders of earth, choose careful your words. That means you have to protect the nature for the future generation. And for the future generation, they will respect you. The future generation will respect you. And then they will say that you are the defenders. You are the defenders of nature. You are the defenders of earth. You protected the earth. Because of you, that we are still alive. We are enjoying on earth. We are enjoying the environment. We are amidst the ecology. We are amidst the nature. So this is the poem. I think you have understood at least what is the content or what is the central idea of the poem. So here guys, only 4 words I am giving you. You please note down in your notebook and you have to write the meaning of those 4 words. Are you ready? The first word is free verse. F-R-E-E. Free. V-E-R-S-E. F-R-E-E-V-E-R-S-E. Free verse. Second word is lyric. L-Y-R-I-C. Lyric. Third word is unsung. U-N-S-U-N-G. Unsung. And the fourth word is defend. D-E-F-E-N-D. Now guys, I am giving you 5 questions. You just answer the questions in short. So, the first question is, who is the poet of the poem? Young poets. Who is the poet of the poem? Young poets. Question number 2. To whom the poet is giving instruction? To whom the poet giving instruction? Once again, I am saying to whom the poet is giving instruction. Question number 3. What are the words? What are the words meant by future citizens on earth? What are the words meant by future citizens on earth? Question 4. That is from the poem itself. So, within inverted comma, you write, your pen is her tongue. Within inverted comma, your pen is her tongue. And the question is, who is her referred here? Who is her referred here? And the last question is, who are the defenders of earth? Who are the defenders of earth? Defender, D capital. Okay guys, for today, this much. See you once again. Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.